You might have noticed a color change in some of your Instagram friends' notes, and therefore, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram notes color to either pink or red. Now with Valentine's Day just around the corner, Instagram has enabled a feature that allows users to change the color of their notes to a reddish pink hue, giving them a flat makeover by incorporating specific words. To begin, open your Instagram app, then tap on the messenger icon to access your direct messages. From there, tap on the notes section to create a new note. Now to enable the color change, here are some of the keywords you can enter. But you have to note that the color change will only occur after you've shared the note. Now the first keyword that you can enter is V-Day, to mean Valentine's Day. So you type that, and after typing the keyword, you click share, and then the first thing you'll notice is a purple hearts display on the screen with the color changing to red. The next keyword is I love you. So you type that, and after typing, then you share, and you'll notice the color change. The next keyword is I love you so much. So you keep doing the same. After typing the keyword, then you share the note, and you'll notice a color change. The other one that you can use is ILY, which is also a short form of I love you so much. The other is ILYSM. Then the other that you can also use is Pookie. So whenever you include any of these keywords in your notes, you'll see that color change. But I'll keep you updated on more keywords that you can use. So ensure to subscribe and also turn the notification bell on, and also share the video to other friends.